Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like what you're seeing, drop us a like. Today's truck is a 2017 Freightliner M2 106. It's a one-owner truck. It's got 98,942 miles. It's a 26,000 GVWR non-CDL. It's got a 20-foot box with a ramp. It's been fully reconned. We'll start over here with the tires. It's got dual 50-gallon tanks. This truck has air suspension, air brakes, and air ride seats. So checking out that box, here's your ramp. Box has 3 rows of E-tracks. And here's your dome light. This truck does have a rollback door. We'll move on over to the passenger side here. Checking out the interior. All right, let's start her up. Here's your 98,942 miles. Let's check out the engine. Your engine is a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6, coupled with an Allison transmission, and we'll come over here to get a better look at it. All the filters and fluids have been changed. All right, and that will wrap it up for your 2017 Freightliner M2 106. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, including some common measurements, feel free to visit our website, which will be linked in the description below, and I'll also leave our phone number there. Well, all right, as always, thank you all for watching, and have a good one.